Assalamualaikum. My name is Ania Amira binti Hussaini Amir and my matrix number is 33DPE19F 2056.
Hi, my name is Azwa Akmal Hakim bin Nora Azli. My matrix number is 33DPE19F 2060. Okay, first for this presentation, I will talk about objective. So, our objective in this green activity is first to creating harmonized zero waste methodology in municipal sector, and second to sensitizing people and local authorities to recycle, reuse and reduce waste.
So let's get started. What is waste minimization actually mean? Waste minimization is defined as a process aimed to reduce the amount and activity of waste as low as reasonably achievable. So it consists of reducing waste generation as well as recycling, reuse and treatment. By reducing or eliminating the generation of harmful and persistent waste minimization support the efforts to promote a more sustainable society. Waste minimization involves redesigning products and processes and or changing societal patterns of consumption and production. Proper waste treatment and disposal can require a significant amount of time and resources. Therefore, the benefits of waste minimization can be considerable if carried out in an effective, safe and sustainable manner. Next, we move on to sustainable environment. So, environmental sustainability is the responsibility to conserve natural resources and protect global ecosystems to support health and well-being now and in the future. Because so many decisions that impact the environment are not felt immediately, a key element to environmental sustainability is its forward-looking nature. In simple terms, environmental sustainability is the practice of interacting with the planet responsibly. We do it to avoid the depleting natural resources and compromising the future generations' ability to meet their daily needs. Last but not least is green technology. Green tech refers to a technology that is considered as environmentally friendly based on its production process or its supply chain. Green tech can also refer to clean energy production, the use of alternative fuels and the technologies that are less harmful to the environment.
Next, we go to background activities. Okay, first, activities is segregation of waste type for recycling. This is process of separating garbage into its constituent. Sorting waste can be done manually at home and collected through curbside collection schemes, or it can be done automatically in material recovery facility or mechanical biology treatment system. In the history of garbage sorting, hand sorting was the first method used. Next, to biodegradable packaging. Biodegradable refer to the ability of thing to get disintegrated, decomposed by the action of microorganism, such as bacteria or fungi, biological, with or without oxygen, while getting assimilated into the natural environment. There's no ecological harm during the process. We can either speak of biodegradable solid, also called compostable, or liquid that biodegradable into water. And the last activity is turning waste to energy source. Waste to energy, plant burn municipal solid waste, MSW, often called garbage or trash, to produce steam in a boiler that is used to generate electricity. MSW is a mixture of energy-rich materials such as paper, plastic, yard waste, and product made from wood. For every 100 pounds of MSW is the United States. About 85 pounds can be burned as fuel to generate electricity. Waste-to-energy plant reduce 2,000 pounds of garbage to ash, whitening about 300 pounds to 600 pounds, and they reduce the volume of waste by about 87% using this method. Next, we go to impact. What's impact for these activities? For the first activity, segregation of waste type of for recycling, the impact is it easier to recycle. Waste segregation is required by law. Effective waste segregation implies that less garbage is disposed in landfill, which is less expensive and better for people and the environment. Separation is also necessary for public health reasons. Hazardous waste, in particular, can create long-term health problems. So it's critical that they are disposed of properly and safely, rather than mix it with the regular trash from your house of business. And the impact for the second activities is in landfill, waste decompose into toxic methane, which is 100 to 120 times more strong than carbon dioxide at the moment of emission. That is why it is critical to reduce municipal biodegradable trash. And for the third is turning waste into energy source. The impact is the effect of the activity will reduce the use of raw material in energy production, and by using the waste can realize a zero waste objective. And the last subtopic in this chapter is activity issue. For the first activity, the issue is disposal of garbage as solid waste is a stringent and widespread problem in both urban and rural areas in several developing countries. Several canals and drains as open place are widely used to dump varieties of garbage as a source of domestic organic or inorganic waste. Impact of the second activities is biodegradable plastic is designed to decay at temperature about 50 degrees Celsius, which means it is not going to biodegrade if it enter the ocean. In fact, it's not going to biodegrade anywhere other than in specialist facilities. Another issue is the fact that the process requires sunlight to work properly. Biodegradable plastic are not buoyant, meaning the plastic will sink in the ocean and not be exposed to sunlight. So it means they will not decay when buried in a landfill. And the last impact for the turning waste into energy resource. Gasification. While as a process, gasification has been used for centuries. It has only been applied to waste in a serious way in the past few decades. It works by processing biomass at extremely high temperature without combustion, which produce combustible natural gas, also called syngas. This gas is used as a fuel source. That's all from me. Thank you.
In a nutshell, being environmentally friendly simply means having a lifestyle that is better for the environment. It's just taking small steps towards looking after the Mother Earth to make this planet a better place for our communities and generations to come. We should implement the green activities among our society so that we can preserve the sources of our earth together.